So in this question here, we've got a parametric curve, and our t, which is our parametric variable, is defined for all real numbers, and x is defined as t squared and y is minus 6t. What we want to do is find where the parametric curve intersects the x plus y plus 9 equals 0, and also then we want to find the Cartesian equation for the parametric curve. So first of all, let's look at this intersection. So if I just write out what we've got, so x plus y plus 9 equals 0. Now what I've got to do here, I've got to get my x and my y from my parametric curve definition and plug in. That's what I need to do here. So x is defined as t squared, so let's just replace that with a t squared, keep the plus sign. Y is minus 6t, so minus 6t, so I change that, so that can now become minus 6t, and then plus 9 equals 0. Now what I can do here, I've got a quadratic, so let's solve for t and see where that takes us. So here we've got a t minus 3, and if I square minus 3 I get plus 9, so that's going to give me t minus 3 squared equals 0. So solving for t is going to be plus 3. So it's a repeated root in terms of our quadratics. T equals plus 3. So at t equals plus 3, that is when it intersects this curve. This is a linear, this linear line here. This here is going to create as a curve which looks like a quadratic. So what we're going to do now, find out where it is by plugging t back into the parametric definition. So if x equals t squared, at t equals 3, so right here t equals 3, that's what we want. Just plugging t into there, then x will equal 9. Okay, and then for the y, do similar. So y equals minus 6t, t equals 3, so therefore y equals minus 6 times 3, which is minus 18. So therefore our parametric curve is going to intersect at 9 minus 18. So that's our coordinates for the intersection. So that takes care of the first part. Now what we're going to do is find the Cartesian equation for the parametric curve. So first thing to do is isolate the t from the x. So let's do that. So x equals t squared. So take the square root on both sides. I'll end up with t equals plus or minus square root of x. So remember, we get two solutions here. So now with that, I can now plug that into my y to get my Cartesian equation. So then y equals minus 6 times whatever I've got for t, which is plus or minus root 6. So if I just put that for now, and then we can see here, we're going to have a definition here for our y. Y equals plus or minus 6 root x. So that's our Cartesian equation for that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a graph on the end of this video so you can see the intersection point and that this also represents this. Okay, thanks for watching.